Welcome to Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. Hello, I'm Carrie Gregg, and today we're going to be talking about a topic that creates a lot of confusion and stress during a divorce. What happens to a house that was purchased before the marriage in Texas? Who gets what, and how we do things in the law treats a home that one spouse brought into the marriage. Okay, so let's break it down. In Texas, the legal distinction between separate property and community property is key. Property that one spouse owned before the marriage is generally considered separate property. That includes a home purchased in one person's name before they said, "I do." So if you or your spouse bought a house before the wedding, it usually starts out as that individual separate property. Now, however, the story doesn't end there. If the house was used by both spouses during the marriage, especially as a family home, then things can get a little complicated. Even though the home itself may be separate property, the community estate, that is, the marriage partnership, may have a claim to reimburse. For example, if community funds were used to pay the mortgage, make improvements, or cover like the property taxes, the owning spouse may be entitled to that share of the value through reimbursement claim. So the issue gets even more complicated when a spouse adds the other person to the deed, refinances a home jointly, or like uses marital assets to pay down a mortgage. These actions can result in like legal transformation of the property, either partially or fully, into community property. That's where you get a forensic accountant or experienced divorce attorney that can be incredibly helpful in like tracing the money and determining what's separate and basically what is shared. Dividing a home in a divorce isn't just about whose name is on the deed. It's about how the home was used, how it was paid for, and how it fits into the broader picture of the marital finances. If you're concerned about how your home might be handled during a divorce, especially if it was purchased before the marriage, give our office a call. The law office of Bryan Fagan offers a free 20-minute or 30-minute consultation to understand your rights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insight into Texas family law. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.